Hi, I'm Isa Baksa. Welcome to Isang Manunulat Shorts. Today's topic is on privacy issues in genealogy, part 6. Not every family story is easy to tell. I've seen it happen. One aunt argued with one uncle. Both were my mom's cousins. This aunt didn't want to include an illegitimate child in the family tree we're updating. Another uncle didn't want to specify that his daughter was adopted. There were some other debates. The details are true, but they're also emotional. And sometimes, even facts can feel like judgment. So, what do I do as a writer? I try to balance it all: truth, accuracy, and compassion. Because this isn't just about history. It's about people, living, breathing people who may not want their past shared publicly. In the next video, I'll wrap it all up with the guiding principle that shapes this whole project. Truth, yes, but always with kindness. Visit isangmanunulat.com and read the full blog post. Thanks for watching.